How to add payment method on Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on payments to access the payment section of your Shopify store, in which you will be able to add additional payment methods, and you basically have two sections right here to do that. The first one is additional payment methods, and the second one is the manual payment methods. Let's start with the first section. Click on the add payment method, and you will have two search bar. The first search bar is search by payment method, from which you can search for any payment method that's available to use only that payment method. So for example, you can use Visa, MasterCard, or you can use Klarna, Apple Pay, and stuff like that, e-wallets like some Bitcoin and the second option is you can search by provider, from which you can use a provider that has a lot of payment options. As you can see, this one 2C2P payment methods provider has over 80 payment methods that you will be able to use all of them if you installed this one right here. Say for example you wanted to use I don't know, Klarna for example. Let me search for it. I will click on it, and as you can see, Klarna right here, I will click on activate next to it, and you will be brought to this information section. They tell you about Klarna and stuff, but you need to scroll down to the account status and click on connect. And what will this do is it will install the Klarna app on your Shopify store, but will not activate it. In order for you to activate your Klarna account, you need to go to their website and link your account from there to your store. And the second option to add a payment method is this manual payment methods, from which you need to click on the drop down that says add manual payments, and you can see there are four options. One of them is the create custom payment method, and you have bank deposit, money order, and cash on delivery. And if you wanted to use any one of them, say for example cash on delivery, click on it and you can set it up using this window right here, where you will be able to add information and payment instructions and stuff like that. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can add a different payment method to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.